buy a used part for one reason. It's because it's cheaper. If you're okay with overspending to fix your vehicle, just buy all brand new parts. But if you have an older car, if you just want to save money, buy a used auto part. Our parts are the same part that the vehicle manufacturer manufactured, so you know the fit and finish is the same as the part that you're replacing. In most cases, we have a longer warranty than a new part. There's lots of ways of finding a used auto part, and most of them are really easy. You can call, you can walk in, you can buy online through our website. There are lots of part search engines that you can look up our inventory on.
A lot of people think junkyards, they have old cars here. You don't think that cars get into accidents. This is where they come.
It doesn't matter if you have a Chevy pickup truck or if you have a Jaguar, we'll have it.